Your mind is where you live. It's the only space you can never truly leave, the lens through which you experience every sunrise, every conversation, every quiet moment. So consider this. Are you treating it like a home, a sanctuary for your spirit? Or has it become a battlefield, a place of constant conflict and defense? It's a strange paradox of modern life. You can live in a beautiful house, surrounded by comfort and aesthetic perfection, and still feel utterly miserable inside. You can have everything you thought you wanted, yet feel a profound sense of unease, a hollowness that no external possession can fill. That's because peace isn't about your physical surroundings. It's about your internal space. It's the quality of the air within your own consciousness. Is it fresh and clear, or is it thick with smog? Think about the noise, the cluttered thoughts that pile up like unopened mail, the harsh self-talk from an inner critic that never sleeps, the constant, draining worry about a future that hasn't happened and a past you cannot change. That's mental homelessness. It's the feeling of being unsafe in your own head, an exile in your own mind. But you can come home. You build a home inside yourself, not with bricks and mortar, but with intention and practice. You build it through kindness, which is the act of speaking to yourself the way you would a dear friend. You build it with clarity, by taking a moment to simply observe your thoughts without judgment, letting them pass like clouds. And you build it with rest, true mental rest, which isn't just sleep, but moments of stillness and quiet in your waking day. This inner sanctuary, this peaceful mind, is a form of wealth no one can ever take from you. It is a portable piece you carry into every room, every challenge, every joy. It is the ultimate resilience. So, clean your inner space today. You don't need to undertake a massive renovation. Just open a window. Let a little light in. Start with one positive thought, one moment of gratitude, one deep, conscious breath. That single act is the key turning in the lock of your own front door. Welcome home.
Inspire yourself. Follow for daily motivation.